Hi, my curious little learners. So, once again, we are back at your own learning platform, Learn Forward with your book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap. Today, going ahead, we are going to start chapter 16 of your book, in which we'll be learning about the joining words, conjunctions. You remember you have done in grade 1 also conjunctions? Can you give me some examples? Perfect. And, or, but, very nice. And or also. So we'll be learning more conjunctions today. Let's start the journey. And here's an exercise, underlining the joining words in these sentences. So you remember what are joining words? The words that join two words or two phrases or two sentences. Let's quickly underline those words here. I speak Hindi and English. Yes. I was thirsty, but there was no water. So this is another conjunction. Ria and Shan are singing together. Yes, Shan is another conjunction here. Sorry, and. The giraffe is tall, but the donkey is short. Yes, again you have but as the conjunction here. So here and is joining two words, and in these two sentences but is joining two sentences. So they are the joining words, they are called conjunctions. So let's go ahead with this. What are conjunctions? They are the joining words that you have learnt in grade 1. So we'll give a new name to it now. They are conjunctions. Now what are the different conjunctions we'll be learning? We have and, but, or, because. These are the 4 conjunctions we will be learning here. You are already introduced to and, but, or. Let's quickly recall. And is used when the two things the two words, two phrases we are joining, they are equally important. Right? When they are of the same nature. Okay? Then we use but when we talk of the differences. Yes, you remember that from grade 1. When we talk about the differences, when you talk about the opposites. Then the next is or. Yes. What or? Or goes for choice. Yes. When there is a choice, that means you cannot go for both the things together. You will have to pick out one. That is choice. So you use or. A new word conjunction introduced here is because. And why do you use it? You have already used this word so many times in your question answers in different subjects, isn't it? And this word gives an answer to which question? Why? Whenever there is a question on why, that means whenever you have to give a reason. Suppose I say, why are you working hard? You say, because I have to get good marks. I have to stand first in the class. So why? Reason you are giving, and you are using the conjunction because. Suppose you get late to school and the teacher asks you, why are you late today? How do you say? You say, because I missed my bus today. So because is followed by the reason of your coming late to school. So this is another conjunction. I hope this will help you out. Know the uses of all these 4 conjunctions. Let's quickly recall. And is used for togetherness, but is used for contrast. That means opposites, the differences. Or is used for choice. Only one can happen. And because is used to give the reason. Is that clear to all of you? So can we move ahead? That's wonderful. So we have an exercise and circle the correct joining word in each sentence. So we'll just see what use is there. Like I have 2 brothers, 1 sister. So both are going together. That means we will be using and. I have a niece, no nephew. That means there is a difference. There is a contrast. You have a niece, no nephew, but no nephew, right? Is the party on Monday, Tuesday? That means there is one party. So can it be on both the days? No. You have a choice. Yes, you have to select one. So is it on Monday or Tuesday? Next. Are those mangoes sweet, sour? So you have a choice here. Either they are sweet or they are sour. But is used to show the contrast, right? So are the mangoes sweet or sour? I like to eat pizza, don't like pasta. So now there is a difference, there is a contrast. So, but I like to eat pizza, but I don't like pasta. Let's move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Now here you will be using the conjunction yourself. The 4 conjunctions we have learned: and, but, or, because. Okay, so we'll just see which one goes here. I need a pencil, a piece of paper to write on. So do you need both things? Do you need them together? Yes, a pencil also and paper also. So together means and. I have a cat. We do not have a dog. Oh, there is a contrast. Cat, but no dog. So for contrast, you will use but. Tomorrow we can go to the zoo, dash to the park, but not to both the places. That means you have to choose one out of these. So for choice, what do you use, children? Perfect. For choice, you use or. I would like carrots, peas, dash potatoes in my rice. That means you want all of them in your rice, isn't it? To make them more delicious and nutritious. So together means and. Beautiful. That's a wonderful answer. Uncle Jaspal tells funny jokes, dash stories. So do you think the jokes as well as the stories can be funny? Yes, of course. And do you think that he can tell only one of them? Is there a choice? No. He can tell both of them. So for together, what will you use? Yes, he tells funny jokes and stories. Isn't that so simple? This shows you have understood. Let's quickly recall what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are the joining words that join two words or two sentences. Let's do an exercise to see how much you have understood. Take the correct answer. The words which join two words or two sentences are called, what are they called? We have just done. Yes, they are conjunctions. I ate mangoes, bananas. So can you eat both of them together? Yes, of course. So, and together you can eat them. She is poor, she is happy. Do you think if somebody is poor, that person can be happy also? No. But here you see the two things are opposite. They are going different. Although she is poor, still she is happy. So contrast is there. So we will use here but. Is your car black or gray? What is the conjunction here? Good. It is or. Very nice. So let's do another exercise. Join the sentences with the conjunction and or but. You have to use only two. So and means both together and but means opposite. So just remember this. Let's see what is there in these. The princess tasted the porridge. She liked it. So both the things are going in the same way. So the princess tasted the porridge and she liked it. Right? Goldilocks knocked the door. There was no answer. What do you expect when somebody knocks? There should be an answer. But here what is happening? Opposite is happening. So what will you use? But. So Goldilocks knocked the door, but there was no answer. Apples are sweet, grapes are sour. Oh, here again we are talking about the opposite nature of the fruits. So how will you say? What conjunction will be used? Yes, apples are sweet, but now because we are continuing the same sentence, G will not be capital. Grapes are sour. Next, Granny told us a story. She sang a song. Oh, she did both for you? Yes. So, we will use and. Very good. Granny told us a story and she sang a song. Last one you'll be doing yourself. Let us discuss. We went to watch a movie. We did not get the tickets. Oh, this is contrast, opposite, isn't it? You wanted to see the movie, but there were no tickets available. So what will you use here? But, because it's showing opposite. We went to watch a movie, but we did not get the tickets. What you have to remember is when you are joining them, so you are getting just one sentence. It is not a new sentence. So W of V will be small and you will write this sentence yourselves, children. Will you? Let's do that next. Fill in the blanks with the correct joining words from the help box. So these are the 4 joining words we have learned. And means together, both. Or means choice. But means opposite. And because means reason. Very good. Let's do. I like roses. Oh, you like both of them? So, and Rohan likes to play cricket. His sister does not like cricket at all. So it is opposite. Differences are there. Yes. So we'll be using here but. I brushed my teeth, dash, had my breakfast. So do you think you did both the things together? Yes, after brushing your teeth, it was a holiday. So you didn't take a bath and you took your breakfast. You were hungry. I picked up Riya from school. Her father was late. Oh, here and these things are not going together. Or can one thing happen? No. But no, because we are not talking of the contrast. Here we are telling the reason. Why did I pick up Riya from school? Because. So when the reason is there, we'll write because. Will you have cake? Dash buns. Oh, there is a choice. That means you can have one only. Yes, good. So it will be or. Sheenu fell ill. She went out in the rain. Here, what is it? Reason. Very good. So what are you going to use here? Because. You all are doing very well. So you are understanding the topics, isn't it? So that was all in conjunctions today. You can just go for more practice of sentences and words. Try to use them in your daily conversation also with the usage, proper usage. We must know when to use and when we are talking about both things together. We use or when there is a choice. We use but when there is a contrast. And we use because whenever we give the reason. We'll be coming with more sessions in English grammar. Till then, happy learning, children.